In today's video, I'll teach you how to order meal on black market meal prep. So first of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now what you have to do is simply click on the search bar and type in this link, blackmarketmealprep.square.site. Press enter. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Black Market Meal Prep. You can see over here you'll have to select either pickup or delivery. Simply click on the option of your choice. Once you do that, what you have to do is find the nearest store. Simply enter the zip code over here. After you do that, you'll be able to see various options over here. Simply click on the nearest store. After you do that, click on this option, confirm location, that you can see on the screen. Now once you confirm the location, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the menu. You'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is simply click on the item that you would like to order. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to see the details regarding that item. You'll be able to find various options over here. Simply fill in the details. Some are optional, some are required. So simply fill all of the details. Now once you do that, click on this option, add to order, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here that particular item has been added to the order. Now what you have to do is simply click on this icon for cart that you can see on the screen. Now click on this option, continue to cart. Now you'll be led to the cart interface. You'll be able to see all the items that you've added to the cart over here. If you have any coupon or gift card, you can also enter it over here. Now over here, you'll be able to find the subtotal, estimated taxes, estimated order detail. What you have to do is simply click on this option, continue to payment, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the checkout interface. You'll be able to find two options over here, Square Pay, GPay. Click on the option of your choice. Now what you have to do is simply enter your contact details over here. Enter your phone number, email, first name and last name. You can see over here I've already provided the information. Also enter the payment details. What you have to do is simply enter your card information over here, or you can also find the option for Cash App Pay if you want. Now if you want to enter the card information, what you have to do is enter the card number, expiry date and CVV over here. Now after you enter the payment details, also enter the billing address, enter your name, country and address over here. Now after you fill in all these details, what you have to do is simply scroll down. Now right over here, you'll be able to find the option for place order. Click on it and the order will be placed. After the transaction has been completed, the order will be delivered to you within the estimated delivery time. So like this, you'll be able to place the order. So that is how you order meal on Black Market Meal Prep. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.